Hello friends, welcome back to the new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about basic Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set up Wi-Fi in Redmi mobile. Friends, one by one, step by step we will talk about Wi-Fi full setting in Redmi mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and on your Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi, first of all friends, refresh your available network. After refresh, you can check your Wi-Fi network nearby and select your Wi-Fi network. And friends, you want to add any Wi-Fi network, you can add network and you can connect in your device. Friends, I have Mukesh Wi-Fi. I will select my Wi-Fi network and I will enter my Wi-Fi password. Friends, after enter password, you can check your password, connect option. Wi-Fi network will connect, and friends, you can use Wi-Fi in your mobile. So friends, you want to use YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app and you can use it. After connect Wi-Fi, you can use it. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi. We can connect Wi-Fi network. We can use YouTube app, Instagram, WhatsApp app, Snapchat app. We can use it. Friends, again open your phone setting, Wi-Fi setting, and you don't want to this network. You want to remove this network. So friends, click here, forget option, and after forget friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again in your Redmi mobile. Friends, again if you click, you will have to enter password. Then friends, you can use this Wi-Fi again with your Redmi mobile. Friends, if you click here, you can join any Wi-Fi network with QR code. And friends, if you click here additional setting, friends, you can check network test, you can check from here, and friends, you can check your save network. Click here manage save network. Friends, we have any save network, so you can check save network from here. So like that friends, you can use Wi-Fi full setting in your Redmi mobile. You can set up Wi-Fi. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so friends, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.